On today's episode of Python Papi, we're back inside our small contracts project. Let's have a look at what we're going to be going over today. Today we're back inside of our Web3Py favorites module, and we're still inside of the project introduction section of that module. So let's have a look at what we're going to be going over. Yesterday we started going over the concept of the Anvil platform that we're going to be using to actually work as our I would deploy our contract. So instead of using Sepolia test network, we're going to be using the Anvil. So in this section, we'll be going over the process of working with the Anvil package and how to use it to create a new test network. We'll start by running the Anvil command in the terminal. This will create a new test network, and we'll start running it in the background. We are now running a local test network blockchain Ethereum node right in our terminal, and we can use it to deploy our small contracts and interact with them. What we will do is leave the Anvil instance running in the background, and we'll open a new terminal window to work on our project. Note, we will be doing all of our work inside of the new terminal window that we just opened, and we will not be using the old terminal window anymore. So we're going to open Anvil in its own terminal and leave it running in the background and open up an entirely new terminal so we can start writing our coding or running our coding. It is still running in the background, but we still will not be using it anymore. It's just there to keep the Anvil instance running. Now, instead of connecting to the Sepolia test node from Tenderly, we'll be connecting to the Anvil instance that we just created. To do this, we will go back to our old terminal window and scroll to the bottom of the terminal until we see listening on. We will copy the number that is next to it. This number is the port number that we will be using to connect to the Anvil instance. Note, this is our port number, 0.0.18545. Now that we have our port number, we can go back to our small contract code and update the ACT provider address to use the Anvil instance instead of the Sepolia test network node from Tenderly. Now we're going to leave it right there. I just wanted to go over the concept of what we're going to be doing because tomorrow I'm going to actually go inside of our contract and show you how we implemented the port number and what it looks like in our code, and I'm going to show you how to activate the Anvil terminal. So look out for that. And of course, I will keep you posted every step of the way. But for now, this is the Python Papi. You guys stay Gucci.